In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process orders using Woocommerce. This tutorial will walk you through each step in detail, ensuring you can efficiently manage your online store orders. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to WordPress.com. This is the foundation where you'll manage your website, and from here, you'll have a full suite of options to modify and control your site settings. So, open your web browser and go to WordPress.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner, and type in your credentials. Having access through WordPress ensures you have all the control you need over your Woocommerce store. Now that you are logged in, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your primary navigation hub for your site where you can access different features, including Woocommerce configurations. Once in the dashboard, you'll want to specifically focus on the Woocommerce section, which is where all your order processing will occur. Click on the Woocommerce link in the dashboard. This will direct you to the Orders section, offering you a comprehensive view of all ongoing transactions. You'll find a list of the orders that have been placed, complete with essential details such as the order number, customer information, order date, and status. This view allows you to select any order that requires your attention. Select any order you wish to process. Simply click on the Order button next to the relevant transaction. This action will bring you into the detailed view of that particular order, where you can see everything from the items purchased to the total amount spent, and even any special notes from the customer. The final step is one of the most crucial in processing an order: updating the order status. Sometimes, the default status might not properly reflect the current progress of the order. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Order Status. Here, you will have several options to choose from, such as processing, completed, canceled, etc. Choose the appropriate status for the order you're working with. For instance, if the order has been shipped, you would update it to completed. After changing the order status, always remember to save your changes. This ensures that the system reflects the accurate state of each order and that customers are notified, if necessary, of any updates regarding their purchases. And that's it. You've successfully processed an order using Woocommerce. Remember, regular updates and efficient handling of orders not only streamline your operations, but also enhance customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!